Welcome to the presentation about our technology for digital structuring, the Digital Lacquer Embossing DLE by Hymmen. My name is Michael Hesse and I'm Head of Sales at Hymmen. I will lead you through the following presentation of this exciting new technology. To give you some background information, I will start with a short introduction of the company Hymmen and its activities in the digital printing market. Then I will give you an overview of the market situation of digital printing and structuring and the additional benefit that DLE and DLEplus offers to the customers. In the end, I will explain you the digital lacquer embossing technology and will show you some interesting example of finished surfaces. But let's start with our company. Hymmen offers technologies for excellent surfaces. The company was founded in 1892 and is a machine and plant building company, always focusing on innovation and optimizing the production processes of the customers. During the last 13 years, Hymmen made many important developments as pioneer for digital printing in the decor industry, always focusing on high capacity output with our single pass printing lines. The production of digitally printed material with Hymmen Jupiter digital printing lines is valued at approximately 90 million square meters in 2018. Hymmen made its development steps during the 13 years history with market-leading producers and fulfills therefore the highest technical requirements. Since 2008, Hymmen puts a great part of its R&D focus on industrial digital printing. With more than 45 single-pass lines in operation, Hymmen is the established market leader in the woodworking industry. The digital printing technologies include direct-to-board printing as well as printing on paper and foils with UV curing inks. These are the Jupiter digital printing models. For the digital printing of decor paper, Hymmen has developed the technology with water-based inks, which are working in conjunction with melamine resins. This is the Saturn digital printing line. The Digital Lacquer Embossing, DLE and DLEplus, closes the technology gap between the digital printing within UV processes and the structuring of surfaces. Before I start to give you more detailed information about our DLE technology, let me put this into the context of the actual market situation of digital printing and structuring. Digital printing processes have impact on both the product cost and the marketing opportunities which are connected to going digital. The benefit is represented, of course, by cost savings, mainly due to the vertical integration in the production process. The integrated producer is not depending anymore on externally sourced materials. In consequence, cost savings will be generated by reduced material storage, missing overproduction and its depreciation. The production logistic gets more efficient by shorter setup times, and material costs are lower due to minimized losses and the lacking of minimum order quantities. Beside these mentioned monetary factors, the marketing opportunities need to be rated rather important. This is because digital printing and structuring are these tools for the user to achieve a differentiation from its competition in the marketplace. Development of individual decors and structures as well as individual collections for each single client puts the digital producer into the pole position within the market. This all can be realized with a quick time to market. The digital producer has its own design competence and the development cycles of new designs with the decor printer is not necessary anymore. Technically, digital printing and structuring offers new design possibilities like longer decors with less decor repetition, for example. This will increase the design quality and the value of the product. Concerning digital lacquer embossing, we can summarize that it closes the technology gap between digital decor printing and the structuring in UV processes. DLE is featuring a synchronous structure and makes EIR possible for UV finished surfaces, and additional design ideas are possible, like structure without underlying visual decors. Let me give you some more detailed information about the DLE technology now. Here, the process principle is illustrated. It is consisting of 4 steps. First of all, the structure layer is applied to the board. Here, the thickness of the lacquer is defining the depth of the structure. In this example, only one lacquer layer is shown. In practice, 2 to 3 steps are needed to generate a deep structure. In a second step, the special DLE ink is jetted onto the wet lacquer. Only after this, the lacquer is cured under UV light. The lacquer below the ink remains in an uncured B stage and can then be removed in the DSC machine, which is the last step. This is a typical setup of a flooring line with various finishing steps to produce ink receiving layers prior to digital printing and wear layers after the digital decoration. After digital structuring at the end of the line, the last coating step number 9 can be enhanced by using the IST excimer, which cures the final top coat. By using the IST excimer, the finish of a flooring product will receive an attractive matte surface, warm and pleasant haptics, and an outstanding durable and scratch-resistant surface. Hymmen digital printing lines are technical leading and designed for a high output within 24/7 operation. Printing speeds up to 50 meters per minute can be achieved, and beside the traditional CMYK color sequence, the use of a double array of the colors becomes state-of-the-art in order to achieve higher speeds and to provide more reliability in single-pass processes. Taking a look to the printing widths, also here Hymmen was a pioneer to offer printing widths up to 2,10 meters already many years ago for digital printing in the flooring industry. One important success factor for the high printing quality are the very reliable printheads by XAR. With their grayscale technology, they are offering a high optical resolution of more than 1000 dpi. Also, their design as side shooter printheads ensures the stability of the Hymmen Jupiter system. After talking about all the important technical aspects of digital printing processes and the new opportunity to create now also structures with the digital printing process, please let me summarize the characteristics of the Hymmen DLE digital structure. Obviously, it offers design opportunities which have not been available up to now. The synchrone EIR structure is now also available for the world of UV finishing. The Hymmen process can create deep and sharp structures. The structure valleys can be quite large over a big area. And due to the special process grinding, the production of structures with different depths is possible. Last but not least, the performance of the surface remains and makes the DLE suitable for demanding flooring applications. Now it's time to give you some visual impressions of the surfaces that you are able to produce with the digital lacquer embossing. But before I show you the pictures that can speak for themselves, I would like to thank you for your attention. For further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me by email or simply give me a call. Convince yourself of the outstanding design opportunities which the DLE technology offers you.